you had a private beach house. You're right, the hero business does pay well. Thank you for bringing me here. I know that we have been arguing a lot lately, but this trip helps. I still can't understand why you don't let me go outside. No, I want to talk about it. I know I have amnesia, but I must have had friends and a job, right? The only thing I can remember is you. So please, just tell me everything you know. Whatever. I know I shouldn't have brought it up. It's our vacation, so let's enjoy it. Do you know what would make me really happy? No, not quite, dear. It's to taste your blood. So warm and yum. Okay, I'll put down the stuff and change into my swimming suit, and you can go put the groceries in the kitchen. Okay, this goes here, and this over here. Oh, love, are you done already? Oh, you want to put on your swimming suit? Go on, do it. What? It's not like it's something I haven't seen. Okay, I'll go pack us a picnic. Oh, love, look at you. You look absolutely fine. Thank you, I bought this just for today. So, are we ready to go? Oh, the sea looks so gorgeous. What? No, I don't want to swim. Because the water is definitely cold and I don't like swimming. Yeah, go on. And I can look at your pretty ass while you go. This book is so boring. I should have brought another. Ah! Love, what are you doing? Why did you throw me over your shoulders? Let me go! What? No, I don't wanna! Now you have a problem, little hero. I'll get my revenge, and it will be served cold, just like this water. What? Why do you look so shocked? It was just a joke, you know. Well, not really, 'cause I'm gonna suck your blood dry. everyone can see my tooth marks on you, and they will know that you belong to me. You're really warm. Be my heater in this cold water. Huh? Love, is everything alright? Well, you look... Hey, what was that for? Oh, so that was the answer to my question? I don't know what to do with you sometimes. What? No, I'm not that bad. You better watch what you say when you know what's good for you. I do make the food, so be prepared for extra spice today. Okay, you shall be forgiven when you bring me back to the blanket and we could cuddle for a few minutes. Yes, piggyback ride! The sun is so perfectly warm. Oh, love, did you put sunscreen on? No? Do you want to be sunburned? No? Then let me do it for you. There you go. Oh, can you do it on my back too? Yes. Love, that's not my back. Keep your fingers to yourself until we get home. No, not yet. You promised me cuddles. You're the best. I love you, my hero. Next, you say, please like and subscribe.